Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Four Seasons Outdoors. Here in Chetwynd, heading west, gonna go try and find some dollies, bullies, rainbows, brookies, whatever want to play, whatever want to bite. So stay tuned and hopefully we can find some fish. Cheers. Okay, we're out. Always got a line in the water. He's had one hit so far.
And it was a pretty big one.
Yeah, I got another line out. It's a beautiful night. Sun's out. No complaints. We're going over here. There's a hump over there. Fish the transition a little bit. See what we can find. That sound never gets old. I think so. Beautiful sound. Well, we caught one little rainbow in here. I know there's fish. I know there's more fish in there to be caught. I was trying to pan for some gold. I'm gonna go try a couple other spots and see what happens. Fingers crossed that the bullies start biting. Well, a quick little update. We haven't got any fish. I got one little rainbow. Noah wanted to try panning for gold, so Grandma's over there showing him a thing or two. This little creek. Sun's out, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna go try and find another spot here and see if we can't catch any more bigger fish. Stay tuned. Beautiful afternoon. No place I'd really rather be. Out in the backcountry. Okay guys, it was 10 years ago around now that I've been back down here. Hooked up a dirty old leech on the fly, and we'll see what happens. This pool behind me has got a bunch of bullies in it. So I'll set the camera up here, put the GoPro on the chesty here, and see if we can't get some on camera. I know I just lost one here, and I think he was big. So stay tuned. Okay, I finally hooked up. I got one on a spoon here. Woo! Nice. It's gonna be a good fish. Single barbless. Nice. Get this guy in the net and we'll let him go. We'll get a good picture of him. Just come out and smoked it. Orange. Get the net. Get him over here. We'll get him in the net. Nothing like having braid. 5, 6 pounder. Come on, buddy. These guys fight awesome. Oh yeah, in the net. Get the hook out. What a beautiful fish. Old handy dandy Leatherman. Oh, the hook is out. Sweet. Beauty of single barbless. Woo! No, it's okay. See if I can get a good picture of him for you. Hey, Mom! Beautiful bully. I'll get a release of him here. Okay guys, we're packed up, heading back home. That's the cabin we stayed in. Caught one nice bully, one little rainbow, found a little bit of gold. Now we're heading back to GP, so hopefully you enjoyed this little clip. I know I did. Had fun. Bugs were a bit bad, but didn't get us too much. So play safe out there, and hopefully you guys having a good summer. Talk to you later.